Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at Walmart. I did plan to grab a few more items, except the store that I went to didn't carry them or were out of stock. I am going to go over the deals with you right now. I did not film in the store. I did get a new bonus today for redeem 24 offers, get a $5 bonus. It's called the hike bonus. And then at the very bottom, it does say complete this bonus, and then I'll unlock a $3 bonus. So I only picked up one rebate today. These are priced at $4.98 in my store. I picked up two for $9.96. I used two $2 off of one manufacturer coupons. So that brought me down to $5.96. IBOTTA is offering $2 back on each one. So I got back $4 on IBOTTA. And then Shopkick is offering 15 kicks when you scan it in the store, and then 1,000 kicks when you purchase it, for a total of $4.06. That made the two Afrin a $2.10 moneymaker. On the poise, these moderate, right there, it's where it says moderate. This is a 20 count. These are priced at $4.68 in the store. I used a $2 off of one printable coupon that I printed from coupons.com. That made my final cost $2.68 that I paid. Shopkick is offering back 5 kicks when you scan it in the store, and then 1,000 kicks for purchasing it, for a total of $4.02. That made the poise pads a $1.34 moneymaker. On the Suave body wash, these are priced at 97 cents. I picked up 4 for $3.88. I used $1 off of one manufacturer coupons. They made them completely free and a 12-cent moneymaker. The Suave shampoo and conditioner are priced at $2.94 in the store. I bought 2 for $5.88. I used a $2 hang tag that brought my total down to $3.88. Shopkick is offering 20 scan kicks for each one, and then it's offering a bundle of 1,200 kicks for when you buy both, for a total of $4.96. They made the shampoo and conditioner a $1.08 moneymaker. These Jergen lotions, these are the 3 ounce. These are priced at $1.84 in my store. I picked up 2 for $3.68. I used two $2 off of one manufacturer coupons, one that I got in an insert and one that I printed from coupons.com. That coupon is still available if you're interested in it. So that made them completely free and a 32-cent moneymaker. I really wanted to pick up these popsicle fruit twisters. Fetch Rewards is offering back 100%, making them free. My store didn't carry them, but if you guys are interested, coupons.com still has these coupons available to print. So here is the receipt. The coupons didn't attach or don't show up underneath the right product, but all of them did come off. So there's the Afrin, $4.98 with the $2 coupons, $4.68 for the Poise pads with the $2 coupons, the Jergens at $1.84 with the $2 coupon. Here are 2 of the Suave body wash at 97 cents. Here is a Suave conditioner at $2.94. There's a $2 coupon off of 2. This is a $1 coupon for one of the Suave body wash. This is another Suave body wash with a $1 coupon. Suave body wash with a $1 coupon. Jergens $1.84 with a $2 coupon. Then a shampoo with another $1 coupon that goes to one of the body washes up here. I had 10 coupons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they all came off. My subtotal was $12.08, $14.61 with tax. I got back a total of $4.10 on Ibotta. I got back $2 for each of the Afrin, and then I got an any offer for a powdered protein, which was attaching to the Afrin and the Poise. So I got back that 10 cents. It gave me 2 offers redeemed towards the hike bonus. I got back 3,270 kicks on Shopkick, which is equal to $13.08. I got back 20 for scanning these. I got back 1,200 for purchasing them on the Suave. I got back 1,005 kicks for the Poise. And then I got back 10 for opening my app in the store. And I believe that's it. Oh, and then I got back 1,000 for the Afrin and 15 for scanning it. And I believe that is it. Is that everything? Yes. So I got back $4.10 on Ibotta, $13.08 on Shopkick, for a total of $17.18 back. Take that away from my $12.08 subtotal. That makes all 11 items free and a $5.10 moneymaker. plus my tax. I don't include my tax because everybody's tax is different. I do plan to go back to Walmart probably by the end of the week. I didn't go last week because my account was locked for 8 very long days. And I say long because I had close to $100 on my account that I couldn't withdraw. So they unlocked it last night. I was able to withdraw my money to PayPal. So I figured I'd go and try to do some rebates, even though I only picked up one because the other items weren't in stock. But that does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.